Mhm. Mhm. खूप झालं. तुम्ही लाईव्ह देखो देखो लाईव्ह देखो देखो Hello guys, welcome to the weekly analysis video for this stream. So we will go for the good weekly analysis video. Okay, let's go. That's the monthly chart in gold. You can see this. You also previous week the market structure will read. I'll telling the projects and what the price will move to the upside. That will be perfectly playing in market in the previous weeks. So let's analyze some video for this week. I'm some busy for this work for tomorrow. So that's why I'm not coming for the good weekly analysis video. So you can see this, that's the all-time high and price will be very close because the previous month will be closed very bullishly and that's the month will be start on and some lower candle on the monthly candle will already created. So price will be good for move and either price will become for that. Let's go for the weekly chart. The monthly chart is the bullish right now. Okay guys. So let's go on the weekly chart. Okay. What you can see this that previous week is the correction and some pullback and pullback candle for the previous weekly candle. You can see this last second quarter of this November, last quarter of this November is the super bullish close, and the December first week is the first. It's created good re-entry for the level. You can see this, and it is also bullish, and that's the order block in the higher time frames. Weekly time frames price will be tapped and rejected. But you can see some correction will become for the weekly candles. You can see this. That's the liquidity zone. So that's the weekly candle which the retracement price will be go for this level. The sweep this new all-time high liquidity and create a good all-time new all-time high and price will be fall from there because that's the order block for the weekly time frame right now. Okay. I will go for the 1 day time frame. You can see this. That's the range of these selling areas. You can see this. That's the previous day of the range of selling area and that's the sub resistance for that time right now. and that's the new all-time high. Okay, that's the all-time high. Okay, that is the 88. Okay, that's the 88, and that's the selling area. And you can see this price will be spiking here also. That's the sub resistance area for the gold right now, and price will be rejected from there. You can see this. That's the rejection. That's the rejection. That's the rejection. And many kind of some like for the breakout will be come for very soon in gold, and price will be some corrected from this area up to this zone. Okay, right now this zone price will be come and price will be pulled back from the upside like this. You understand, guys? Anyone ask any question for your any doubt? You will be typing here. Okay, that's the analysis for the weekly. I giving you some levels for your weekly analysis. So that's the resistance for the price right now. Okay, so that's the daily time frame, and we will find a good buying area. My bias is the this week some correction. You can see this last day candle is the last previous week last Friday candle was the rejected from the this resistance area. Price will be rejected from this area, and price one thing of this gold price will any kind of breakout this any area, it will tap more than 4 to 5 times. After then, price will be breaking this zone. This time, I will see this test price will be try 3 times, and more than 2 times will be remain right now. 2 to 1 times will be more remaining to tap the same level. After then, price will be break out this level. In because that is my experience of the 3 years, guys. So I will check every day, every week in same things. So I will tell you with my experience, okay? So we'll find a good buying entries right now. Yeah, that's the selling area for the daily time frame. You can see this. And I think that will be also good for the weekly candles. You can see this. Price will be why rejected from this year. That's the reject. You can see this. That's the sub resistance area right now. Price will be spiking here. It will be okay, but price will be rejected for this time because that's the price closing here. That's the resistance for the price right now. So you will go for the 4 hour daily time frame. What will be told? Wait a second. I'll go for the daily time frame right now. So you can see this. That's the resistance area. So price will be rejected from there today right now also. So that's the liquidity for the market. Create the market liquidity, and that is the some very simple thing. The very flagging and flagging candles will be happening in the daily time frames. But we and my bias is the bullish for this next month. In January, price will be definitely come on this the 4 500. Okay, it yeah, that time I'm telling you guys. Price definitely go for the 4 500 in gold. So 4 hour what happened? Let's see this. 4 hour. That's a create a good very candle for these areas, and price will be closed above this zone. I told you very well. First confirmation candle that, and that is the very good confirmation candle that. Why? Because price will be close like of this any kind of this type of candle. Price will be definitely sell over here because you can see the price will be creating the 4 hour very good liquidity so and that is the trend line support also. So price will be break from here. It's fall very goodly up to this areas. 4,000 definitely price will be calm for that. The selling you will be soon on this week because that's the correction area. And my bias for this week is some selling interest for the scalp and more overall bias for the bullish entries. But in this time, the selling entries. That's the zone. You can see this. That's the level. But I see the tap and playing like this. Hold a second. That's the common price will be close over this candle. Price will close above this candle. Okay. Maybe price will be close. Price will be close over this candle on this area. The bearish candle will be closing on these areas. Price will be definitely fall because that's the market liquidity. Okay, I told you also again some selling was coming in the gold in this week right now because some meetings also the important meetings also the here the Fed conference everything will be is the in this week, so that's the very important week for the gold. Okay, so we'll find some selling entries for that time because that's a support area and that's the supply area, and you can see when price will be tapped, that's the supply will come, and price will second time tap, that's the supply will come, that's the third time tap, that's the supply will come, but supply will be some times times two by times it's the reduced. So let's the indication for the price will be some bullish entries will be find it, but that's the liquidity for the gold never go for the pending orders will be here. So you can see this, that's the liquidity also created in gold. You can see this, that's every liquidity for gold. So price will, what happen? The price will break this liquidity for that time. Okay, and price will go for the good buying area and good tap to order block from this buying entries for the good new all-time high. Okay, guys. So that's the things. If you ask any question for me, I will answer in you. Come on, chat it, guys. Chat it because that's for my good to telling you what's happened. Okay. Okay, second bro. Okay. Dual typing message over here. No issues. So let's go. So that's the support resistance area for the type resistance supply area, even everything for that. So we are find a good selling entries over there. So I'll go for the that's the 4 hour. You can see this. That's the 4 hour trend line also created here. That's the trend line support area for. Okay, so that's a very important thing right now. That's the area, and price will be creating a more liquidity also here. So that's why I'm not the trend line trader, bro. I'm not trading in the trade lines. So price action trader. So I'll find 1 hour selling entry. See, the beautiful selling area price that will there right now. So we are find a good selling entries. Price will be close above this candle. You can see this last previous second third candle is the good full bullish space, bearish space I will be saying. You can see this, and you can go for that's the perfect liquidation for gold. You can see this. That's a liquidation definitely on the NYC systems. You can see this. That's a you understand what the market is right now. That's a very dangerous market right now. Okay, you can see this. Okay, that's the lower low, lower low, lower low. Sorry, that's the higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So that's the price will be definitely sell from here because that's a sweep this liquidity. Okay, that's a very simple thing. So we'll find a good buying entries. Okay, on this level, and you also going for the selling opportunities. My best selling opportunity is price will tap and down, but you can sell from this level here. That's the selling level, a plus selling level right now. Also, price will be calm on calm on this area, tap this area, and price will create a 1 minute bearish engulfing candle. You definitely sell over here. Either the price will be go move to this up to this level 67, also this A plus level. These two levels for the selling areas, the more defining and more defining areas. So you will be sell on these two levels. I will giving in the weekly analysis video. But buying entries is the most important for the week. Price will be down. That's the level will be played now. That's the price will be more falling up to these areas. 4,000 daily time frame I'm going. Its price move up. You can see this. That's the how the price will be spiking here. You can see this. That's the how the price will be spiking here. You can see this. The full bearish pressure will be happened, and that's the some order will be remained. So price will be go for that. And know the upper side zone for the 1 day time frames. So some selling opportunity will be held. But you can see this. That's the daily time frame buying level. That's the daily time frame buying level. Okay. A plus buying level. A plus buying level. I remove them because that's a plus buying level. I shall be go for this level also. And this level was not playing. So that's our second level. Either price will fall for the daily time frame. That's the FBG area for the 1 day time frame. The bullish FBGs. First definitely go down. And you can see this price also created the liquidity. After this level was don't fill by market, price definitely fall about this zone. Definitely market was falling out these zones. Easily falling. You can on this see this on this. And I'll giving the two buying. That's the everything is the buying entries. This loss for the buying entries. That's not selling areas. Price will be respect. So it's good. Price will be not respect. You will be retested the price again. You can sell here because price will be go down from this level. Okay. That's the buying areas in gold. So that's the two buying area I will giving you. But your my actually my bias is and that is also buying zone. I will find this zone because mm, that is not that. I'm going in 1 hour. Let's see how the okay. That's the zone. That's the zone for the buying. Okay, okay. That's your first last final buying zone. Okay. 15 minutes. A plus is good. A plus buying. Yeah, that's the 15 also here. Hmm. That's the oh, that is the CME group was the infected, so that's the spiking here. So order block will bend. Okay, so that's our good buying area, but I will scalping over there. So I have two entries for the selling in the higher time frames. I analyze it. I am definitely trade on these areas only the selling entries. Price will be tapped in the retested same zone. Price will be tapped. It is the same zone. That's my selling entries. And price will be closed after this area. I have no issues. I'm waiting. Price will be closed above this area and price will tap on this candle and selling candle, any kind of very selling candle will be print here. So I will be in free. My stop loss for these lows, these highest lows, and that's my entry area. And I will target for this zone and for second target for this zone, third target is this zone. So that's the good entry areas for the selling side setups in gold. Okay, brother. So that's the entries for the gold. Okay. So anyone analyzes for the any kind of any other pairs, that's the main important resistance area for this price now. Okay, because that's the daily time frame also support area. This area. So that's the A plus right now. Price will be tap from here and price will be go down. And on 1 hour also that's the A plus. Price will go for the liquidity sweeps and price will be go from this. Okay. And market is now on smaller time frame with the consultations. Today morning I will give the 15-minute trade for my Telegram group. Okay, that's a free for everyone. You will join here because I have no post seller, I have no any kind of this type of traders. That's the giving the some. That's for my entries. Okay, so that's the area for the selling in gold less level, and after price will close, price will be definitely go on this level. Okay, why this level? Because that's a clear FBG in the 1 hour. So that's the price will breaking this zone. The price will go for the upside. And that's the 1 hour buying A plus buying zone. One thing that's A plus buying zone, and that's the 4 hour also you will be trade on this level. That's the hard kind of 170, 197, and price will be goes from this level. 30 minute. My Telegram group I'll tell these entries for the A plus. That's will send in my group. Also it will give the 100 pips on this level and price will be go again on this level right now. So I'll give this level in my today morning in my groups, and that's the level for I will be only seeing. But 1 hour, that's the zone, and that's our block. That's the A plus. Daily time frame, no. Yeah, that's the liquidity. Yeah, you can sell from this level. That's the plus for the good. You can selling A plus is that not. I'm selling on this level because you can see this. That's the 4 hour now topic. So price will be come on this area and fill this, and price will be go down. So that's a good area, and that's the buying zone will be playing. That's the good A plus buying is the playing. So that's was remaining. That's was remaining in the intraday level. That's the every level is the intraday levels. Okay, and that's the 4 hour A plus buying area. That's why I am hold for this. I'm not going to selling entries. I will find the buying entries because that's the level. Price will be close above this trend line, so price will be fall, guys. Price will be definitely fall on this. But that's the order block. That's the 4 hour A plus, and that is the order block right now. So that's the liquidity. That's a good confirmation buying area. Let's see what happened in price. So intraday level, that's a support, that's a resistance area, and that's the support area. So this support will be break, price will be fall from this level, and that's resistance will be break, so price will be go from this level. That's the intraday level. Okay, guys, that's the intraday level. Try giving this level in the weekly analysis video for gold. You will mark on your charts this level very important. And that's the three levels I'll give. That's the playing, and that two level was pending, but that is the very good A plus level for that time and 4 hour time frame. So price will be tap and go on from these areas, and that's the A plus confirmation area. You will be price will be tap and confirmation candle will be create. So price you will be go for the good buy opportunities, and that's the creating this the A plus selling area. Price will be tap, which is creating a very single fig candle, and any kind of base candle here. So you will be sell from this level. And either price will be go from here. It is the any kind of candle was created by this market. The selling side entries, so you will be definitely trade over there. Either the price will be bullish, so price will be close, price will be go for the upside for the new all-time high because that's the which is, and the last selling area is that the 3,557. That's the selling area last. So let's see what's happened on this week. So that's my analysis for this gold, and I have one more selling. I have one more analysis in the Bitcoin. I'm definitely analyzing this market. Bitcoin. That's the Bitcoin chart. You can see this. You can see this how the market will be paying. And either I have you can see this that the more than Bitcoin selling entries on these areas more than 500 pips. That's the 5,000 pips. That's the Bitcoin fall from this level 5% here. More than 5% falling on this level. 5.31% price from falling on this level. So I will again on this mark on your charts one level. I will finding definitely price will come on this level. Price will come on this level, tap these areas, you definitely sell here. That's a selling area. Okay, that's a selling area. I think that's a tap. Okay, let's see. You can see that that's the tap, the price. The tap, the price. You can see how the price will be rejected from this level. So that's the selling area for Bitcoin. You can sell definitely here. 5 minute any kind of selling candle here. That's an indiscount candle will be print. So price will be tap the seller first and create a good opportunity and tap also buyer here, and price will be toward distribution from here. So I will be informing my Telegram group, and let's see this what will be price update on this time. You can see this how the market will be moved, how the market will be go, how the market will be moved. It's definitely falling up to this zone easily. So that's that only one level I will give for this week in Bitcoin. Price will be again falling from this level right now. Okay, so that's my analysis for the gold, Bitcoin, and you don't kind of telling any other pairs. How can I telling you guys? That's thing. You will be told me. I will be analyzing these charts because I will be only interested on these two kind pairs. So I will be analyzing this Nasdaq, Nasdaq, GV CAD, New Zealand, JPY. Police right now. So that's the analysis for that day, guys. Ooh, how the market will fall from here, bro. And mark this level and the price fall from here. Is the card is up to good playing, bro. In this pair is a very good falling. More than this Forex pair will be fall 200 pips. It's very good. GBP, JPY. The market. You can see this. I told you. This the selling will be convert that not respected by market. The price will fall from here like this. How the market will fall. That's not single time. That will be 100 pips selling in the 90 pips selling in the GBP, JPY. That's the two test. Say double time that will be fall. I'm told you price will be go from here. It's very good. Either price will be fall and it will be short, not sustained candle. So price will be sell from this slide. Not buyer is interested to market will be go from this more going to upside. So that's our buying area for the GBP JPY. Let's see what the GBP JPY play. That's a good buying opportunity. Price will be come from here and price will be go for this break this support area. Break this support area. I'm told you that the support. I have told you that the price will be moved from here. Either price will be retested this same zone or price will be fall. That's the things actually playing two times. You can see this first time, second time, third time. Same things will be playing. And I told you price will be come and price will be go for this. That's the your entire two levels. That's the your buying area. That's your support area. That's your resistance area. Okay, right now. Okay, let it done. That's the GBJPY. Only price will become with the good engulfing candle. You definitely go. And this is plus not tapped. This will be playing. That will be playing. That's a good buying zone. GBP USD, how I told you, bro. That's the price will there. I'm told you. Price will not. That's the sweep. That's the choke. But price will not sustain. Price will be fall from here. And I told you, price will become. That's the selling also. That's the buying also there, and selling also there. The selling is that the 25 pips, and you can see this. That's the buying was more than. That's more than buying is the 100 pips plus. Yes, 110 pips is the buying in the GBP USD. So how the next move in GBP USD? GBP USD, GBP USD. Mm, That's a selling area. Price will be good selling increase over there. So in 1 hour, I will find a good selling opportunity. Okay, 1 hour. But the overall that will be bullish. So you will be buying GBP USD here. Okay, and also buying from here. I remove them. That's what. That's I will mark on this. That's the buying level also here. But you will some scalp fish. That's a good buying zone for the GBP USD. Either it's not respect, so price will be fall more on this area. It's two level in GBP USD, the next week. Okay, let's go and another USD JPY. Straight. It's for the profit booking also. Price will be calm on this area. As a daily time frame selling candle. You will be definitely sell from here. Price will be more falling. Price will be more fall about this show. But still, let's see. That's the order of law. Weekly quarterly is okay. That's the selling area for the USD JPY. Okay, sell from here. That's the level of 155.4. Okay, mark on your chart. Euro USD. It's closing. It's also it's closing. That's a very complex pair right now. Very complex and very good. Right. That's the for the GBP GPI, okay? The Euro USD. So let's the Forex pair, that's the US 100. Ooh, you can see this. That's a perfect A plus. So that's the analysis for this day, for this week, guys. Everything will be done. So let's use 30. Last analysis for this week. Last year, sorry, sorry. That's the potential for the going up. Right? That's the 1 day plus selling area. I think that's the all-time high. I should be very close to the all-time high. 1 week. Let's find some bullish entries over. Okay? Place entry. Place entries. Bullish entries. That's a bullish entry. Price will come. I will definitely buy. Other price will close from these areas. I also buying. Okay. This area price will be close. I am buying. And other price also coming on this area. I am buying. Either price will be this area which the market will only trap. This area only market will trap zigzag. That's the market concentration. So I am don't over this level. Okay. And US 100 this trade. Okay guys. US 100 this trade was not to be, but that's the support area, resistance area. So that's some selling will be here for that. Okay. So let's see this what will price at the selling zone. And that's the big target. There's a 35 pips risk on this. Let's see this what's happened on this trade and what's happening in gold trade. So that's my analysis. Yes, well, I'm not trade right now. So gold is the very interesting part right now because that's the 15 minute we play very goodly. That's the W weekend will be on in 15 minutes. For the Monday, it's a Monday Bluesum guy. I will mark on this level. You can go with the 1 minute. You can see this how this trade will be just be playing. That's the perfect trade for this day. Very good trade for that. You can see this price will be just sweep in a liquidity sweep. Price will be down the liquidity sweep. Price will create a good engulfing fully bullish candle. You entered your risk like this, risk like this. The 25 pips risk same, and that's the price giving the 100 pips right now. That's the OG trade, guys. This trade actually playing on markets. How this beautiful trade will be playing, and then after price will be giving, and that's the A plus and the RSI diversion. So price will be from selling from here. That's the reversal. And price will be again selling for the 100 pips, and price will be round the consultations. Now, what's the bad thing for that time? That's a beautiful trade will be happened. That's the 1:4 trade will be given. So I will miss that, but I will giving my channel this trade right. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. That's my analysis for this week. I will give him these levels. Just mark on your charts. Okay, and wait for the good price will be come. You'll be patient up. Okay, that's the good A plus buying zone. That's a 4 hour buying zone right now. Let's see this. That's a 4 hour buying area. So thanks for watching. The weekly analysis is the too long for that time. So I'll close the stream. I think you have some everyone will be helpful from this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bro. See you in NYC sessions with the good trades. Thank you so much.